Since we first embarked on our journey with Hortonworks, it's had a big impact for our analytics team, but it's also having a bigger impact for our commercial team as they realize that they can pull in different data sources and they can use that to analyze the market in a way that they couldn't really do before through their existing tools like Excel.
As we begin to adopt Hortonworks' data platform, it enables us to dramatically reduce the costs of our deploying our service, which means we don't have to just work with industrial commercial customers, we can work with domestic customers, and we can really start transferring some of these really big transformational energy benefits, not just to companies, but to individuals and consumers.
Partnering with Hortonworks has given us access to very technical, competent staff, and they should be, because some of them actually helped create the tools that we're using.
By working with companies like Hortonworks, we begin to dramatically cut costs out of parts of the technology stack that we have created to deliver our product, which enables us to really kind of motor on and sort of really begin to transform the energy system in the way we believe we can.
Data is actually very fundamental to an insurance company, because if you think about it, in many ways we don't actually sell a product. We actually sell largely a promise that we will recompense on you if a particular event occurs. So data is critical to us. Hortonworks has transformed the business by actually enabling people to think differently, bringing capabilities that previously were the province of data scientists in labs hidden away that would spend lots of money and long time to produce very complicated algorithms, and actually bringing it much closer to the business at a far lower cost and actually enabling them to think, we can do this now. I think one of the best things about working for Hortonworks, from my experience, has very much been is that the advantage that they are one of the biggest committers to the whole Apache environment, the whole Hadoop environment. They have the technical knowledge in-house. And one of the best things is actually just engaging and having conversations. One thing I've always enjoyed with working with Hortonworks recently is the ability just to reach out to somebody, ask them a question, or just get in there and sit down with them and thrash out ideas. They're one of the most approachable companies I've ever worked with in that space.
Data for ING is very important because the strategy is about helping people to stay one step ahead in life and business. It is taking care of data in a totally different way than the regular technologies like Oracle or other relational databases.
So the initial use case was, let's try it out. This is a new technology, how does it work? And the easiest way to get some value out of this is put some data in it and do some analytics with it. See what kind of value we can get out of it.
Our POCs have shown that big data has a huge value in all sorts of business areas. If it is customer finance, is it marketing, is it service? We've proven that big data has very high impact on the value of those business areas. At last but not least, Hortonworks has a lot of technical experience and also a lot of telecommunication experience, which made it easy to talk to them. We're very happy that Hortonworks has a lot of understanding for not the technology only, but also for our business needs to bring us to that level. With the biggest companies like HP or IBM and so on, it seems to be quite easy to build up that ecosystems, because all our current partners in our ecosystem are partners of Hortonworks, which was one of the major decisions.
Data plays a crucial role in our mission. Our ad-serving algorithm takes millions upon millions of decisions based on data, whether it be to find trends, to locate segments that we feel we can attack, or also, of course, for continuous improvement of the algorithm. We had hit a wall with our previous technology. We needed a platform that would allow us to scale exponentially using, simple hardware. We wanted a proven platform, and we wanted a flexible platform. We wanted a platform that would allow our analysts with their existing SQL skills to be able to ramp up quickly. We also knew that if we chose Hortonworks as our vendor, there would be no vendor lock-in. We liked the fact that Hortonworks only sells support, which we therefore assumed they had to be good at it, and it certainly turned out to be the case. The ability of Hortonworks just to ingest as much data as you could possibly throw at it, and then at the same time analyze that data has really been a lifesaver for us. The results have been growth.
Data used to be something that used to appear on reports, and we've now moved that debate onto putting data at the center of what we do, being a data-driven business. That data can actually change the fortunes of a company. It just isn't something that ends up on a report. We're really intent on how do we actually build upon Hortonworks, HDP. So we want something that's reliable, is robust, that our new talent, our data scientists and data visualization experts can come to the platform. They have converged on a number of skill sets, and so we want them to be able to do both experiments and to actually build out new products and services to our wider business colleagues and beyond. Two fundamental products that we're driving forward with, and that would be HDP and HDF. Now with HDF, we can actually bring that data in very quickly. The results that we have had are just not short of stunning. The business has been inspired by this approach. So I would say start today.